Hey there. If you're in the plasterboard manufacturing business, you know how crucial the gypsum mill is. But let's face it, issues pop up. Today, we're tackling common gypsum mill problems and how to fix them. First up, uneven particle size. This can mess with your board quality. Check your grinding media and classifier settings. Next, excessive vibration, often caused by imbalanced rollers or worn bearings. Regular maintenance is key. Then there's low output. Could be due to feed rate issues or mill wear. Adjust or replace parts as needed. Overheating. That's a big one. Check lubrication and cooling systems. Dust buildup is another headache. Clean filters and ducts regularly. And don't forget about moisture. Too much can clog the mill. Keep your gypsum dry. Lastly, strange noises? Don't ignore them. They signal bigger problems. Inspect gears and motors ASAP. Remember, a well-maintained mill means smooth production. So, stay proactive. Address issues early. Keep your plasterboard line running strong. Got more questions? Drop them below. Let's keep the conversation going.